So guys, for the first step, you want to right click on your desktop and then click on Show More Options. Then you want to click on NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't have the NVIDIA Control Panel installed, then you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Now once you're on the NVIDIA Control Panel, on the left hand side, under Display, you want to select Change Resolution. Once this comes up, you want to select your monitor. Now you want to select your resolution. It's going to be saying refresh rate right here. You can now set your refresh rate. After you set your refresh rate, in the bottom right, click on Apply. And then you want to apply your changes. If for some reason it's not showing your maximum refresh rate, you might have two modes on your monitor. You might have Ultra HD mode and you might have PC mode. Now the resolution I go for is 1920 by 1080. In my case, if I choose my native resolution here under Ultra HD mode, it only shows up to 60 Hz. So I need to scroll down to PC mode, select my resolution, and I can now choose 144 Hz.